Okay, I'm not a podiatrist, but looking at him, the first thing you always want to consider are these calluses, are these verruca, basically tons and tons of warts. There's also something called tree man syndrome. What is going on with these feet? And you look at his son, he is just grossed out by it.
And do you have it?
No, not like that.
Okay.
That guy's like, oh, thank God I don't have this. But you know in the back of his mind, he's wondering, is this going to happen to me later? Because this is my